Hi everyone. So today I'm talking about a little bit about my major and why I chose business and management. I chose this website because I think it's a very good way to show what my major is about and what you can do after graduating in business and management. So you have here, for example, an explanation about what do professionals in business and management do. So there's here 4 paragraphs you can read and have an answer to your question. Also the amount of money you can make by an average that you can make yearly by working with in business and management. There is also an explanation about what kinds of business and management degrees are available. So you have here everything you need. There's facilities as well. Economist, global sales management, manager, technical writer. And now here you have the best degrees. So accounting, MBA, marketing, management, information system, finance, economics. So you have here basically everything, and this is very good because, if for example, you want to know a little bit about risk management, they give you here an explanation about everything. There is also, I don't know if if you have something to do with major and you love sports as well, you are able to take a sports management degree. Was one of the things I wanted to do as well if I didn't choose business and management. It's a super good degree where you can learn a lot about sports and management. And of course, if you have any specific questions like this type frequently asked questions are what is business and management, how much can I earn by studying business and management, this site gives all the answers to your questions. And not even only about, you can find the rankings of the universities in business and management and the other type of things that you want, how much you need to pay in this type of school. I think it's a very good site where you can learn a lot about college, not only business and management, but about other degrees that you are interested in.